All right, Mad Dog Mountain Arts, Sunday. If you've seen me, I made a shirt earlier about how I was gonna make resin. Well, okay, so we're trying, but okay, so in the mail, I've subscribed and saved to these guys. No, Magic Resin's not paying me any money. I'm just saying, I subscribed and saved to these guys for 10% or 10%. And you know what I thought was really cool? Silicone cups. They sent some silicone cups. It was like $94.95, and there's some of these little, I think these are gloves. I haven't opened them yet. I think there's some stir sticks in there. And dude, I didn't even look. And they sent me colors for $94.95. Okay, I was really conflicted on this purchase because, like, I didn't want to, I was kind of broke. I didn't want to spend a whole pound, right? So, and you could buy like the 2 liters for, I don't know, $129 or something. And I really wanted to try this ice, right, for the $94.95. But we got stir sticks. We got some packages of color, right? Like I said, I think it was $169, and you could get like the 2 liters, the bigger one. And then you'd have a whole extra liter, which is cool. If you're doing bigger projects, that was probably definitely where you'd go if you're gonna use it up. I am poor. I didn't have any money. And I like make all this resin. I barely sell any resin, which is fine. It's fine. I'm not wanking about that. So if you are poor, this was good because you've got extra like silicone cups. You can subscribe and save on your Amazon, and it'll save you some money. So I just wanted to do a little bit of that. And I got these neon colors. I've decided I like these neon colors. These Next Resin guys. They're pretty good. Maybe there's 12 in there. I feel like that's wrong. Maybe there's 8 in there. Whatever. Should I open that? Put you against the garbage can for a minute. Alright. Sure. I'm just expecting company. Oh, I was going to make resin so much earlier in the day today. But then I got busy. Okay. So, the yellow, a pink. And then they send you these ones. Okay. And you know what? I don't think that these turn the color. I've used these before. Like this says blue-green on it. I don't think it goes blue-green. But the ones that are colored are really good. Very, very much. So what do we got? 1, 4, 8. There's 10 that are actually colored, and then they'll send you these 3. But what I do is I just add my dye, like an extra, like a dye color to it if I want to, and try to make it like, you know, if this is blue-green, add a blue or green. And mix it in extra, or add like a powder. Add to it. Sorry, getting distracted there, my kid. So that's pretty cool because that was actually 13, and I think this might have 20 to 30 bucks for these, and I got them from Amazon. But you also get a cool little package. Okay, so what did I want to say? I had to film really quick because I started getting super excited. This is that pink peg that you seen me find the other day, and I just had like a little container with some extra pieces in there. So I'm going to put them at the bottom. Sorry, I don't know how good that is really showing up. Hoping that it's just like a crystal-y mica bottom. We're gonna make some rustic bears with some peg in there. We're gonna make another stash box. And when I say peg, I'm talking about this pink Pegamite here that I found the other day, which is made up of trace minerals. That is Mn plus 3. So we're gonna have a whole pile of those, and that'll be great. Little fragments, little mica fragments. Sorry, I got totally distracted there. I just got like, you ever like be phone and you can tell they're not listening to you anymore because they like just totally zone out and you're talking, so they're like reading the message. Yeah, my friends do that to me all the time. Anyway, so we're gonna use this bad boy too, this fiber. So the next video you see me in might not be me talking so much, and it'll probably just be me pouring in this. And I should have been putting this together or videoing as we spoke. We're gonna do a little snail. We'll put a piece of anise in his snail shell, so it's like roundies. We're gonna go round, and we're gonna do those earbuddy things. We're also watching Outlast, to let you know. It looks kind of lame. Everybody went home right away because they got cold. In the Alaska weather, don't go to the rainforest. It rains. Okay, so thanks for watching my Rezo setup.